Want to stay ahead of weather with detailed maps on your iPhone? Let's see how you can access them easily. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to view weather maps on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the weather maps on your iPhone. Once you have the weather app open, look at the bottom left corner of your display. You will see a small icon that looks like a map. Tap on this icon to open the weather map. Now that you have the weather map open, you can explore it by swiping it in different directions. Swipe left or right to see different areas, or up and down to change the view. And this is how you can view weather maps on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.